Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Wednesday. Well, today as you can see we're going to be working on this one that I got from PaintSomeWay called Magic Castle, and today we're going to be working in the roofs, and the color is 3841 and it's kind of a pale blue. It's part of the snow that's on the roof. So let me pull you down, sorry, so you can see what is going on. How is everybody doing? We're at Wednesday already. Yeah. My daughter came over yesterday and did the grocery shopping, and we had to get a money order for the rent, so we got all the bills paid. Yeah. So she was a busy girl, and then she took a load of laundry with her. So got that taken care of. But yeah. And it was kind of a cold day. It didn't get any higher than 60 some degrees. Unbelievable. And a little wind here and there, but nothing too exciting. It kept saying that it was going to rain. Well, you know, that never happened. And if it did, I missed the whole thing. So, wasn't too upset about that one way or another. So yeah, I was going through my little repertoire we got going here, and I found this, and we hadn't worked on it too much, so why not, right? Trying to figure out which way to go. This symbol is kind of helter-skelter, if you will. So how's everybody doing? You doing okay? How's the weather where you're at? Is it sunny and nice and starting to be spring? By the way, welcome April. Here we are, April Fool's Day. Hoo hoo hoo, ha ha ha. Yeah, no, I have no April Fool's jokes. None. What can I say? Didn't even think about it until I just said that. So, yeah, I'm not real quick on my feet as far as jokes go, so yeah. But not much else going on. Kind of consumed the morning doing the little chores that absolutely needed to be done, so had to get cat food and cat litter, and so the cat's well taken care of for the next week or so. So she'll be fine. So get a hold of that. Really can't see where I'm stitching, can you? I'll try to show it to you when we get this little section accomplished. But I thought we might as well still work on that first little house. Seems to be like a 2-story in someplace house. It's, whoops, I went too far, my bad. Right here is where we're at. This has kind of got some confetti, but nothing that I've run into so far, so it'll be fine. Anybody going anywhere this week or on the weekend? Hope you get to do something fun, because you can have all the fun for me, because I'll be right here. One day right after another, but soon, hopefully, we will be walking. Can hardly wait. Ouch, that hurt. Keep pulling that thread up so I don't get the tail caught in there. So today my daughter has to take my granddaughter to the doctor to have her foot cast or whatever the heck they're going to do to it. So, fun times. I'll let you know how that all turns out. Holy cow. What my daughter needed was one more thing to deal with, right? And the cat keeps pacing. I keep looking because I can hear her. She goes from the kitchen back to here, and then she'll get on the couch, and then she'll get in the chair. She can't make up her mind. You'd think that we had upset her whole routine. She's taken a liking to my rocking chair. It's got, I got this. I don't know what you would call it. It's some kind of it's not a robe exactly. It's not exactly a blanket, but it's got long, no sleeves. You just kind of put these long things down the front, and then the back kind of comes around, you know, your shoulder, so to speak. It's got a snap there if you wanted it, but it's kind of a throw to have to put 3/4 of it over your body. Yeah. But anyway, it's parked on the rocking chair over there. So, yeah. She likes to curl up there, and it must be nice and warm. About 1.5 feet or more away from the heater. Because that couch of mine is just, I don't know what it's, did you really? I put a knot in that. We're just going to go with it today. Usually I don't do that anymore on cross stitch. That couch has kind of got a cold feeling to it. When I sit on it, it's fine in the summer, but in the winter, I sit on a blanket because it's kind of cold, silky, I don't know. I want to say brocade, but that might not even be, you know what I mean. So, yeah. When it's hot, she'll sit over there, but not when it's cold. So, fun times. So, she just sits where she sits. We try not to think about it or look in her direction, or she'll be, oops, gone and underneath it and into the other room. And of course, when anybody shows up, she's out of here. She don't want to be sociable or see who's here. None of that. She don't care. So she'll sit in that rocking chair for hours. But not usually when I'm in here, so I don't know. She's just got her whole routine screwed up, as well as my whole routine is screwed up. So, fun times to be had by all. But we're going to get there, people. We're going to get there, people. And life will go on. Well, if I could just get that there, I thought it's kind of close. We'll just not have to restart the thread. Oh, yeah, I got plenty. I have no idea. They're all shades of blue. I was going to say I have no idea what the other symbols, colors are that are in this same general area. But they're all shades of blue because it's on that roof. So, yay. But I think it's a pretty cross stitch. I just love it. Maybe I'll start on that tree today. In fact, I thought I'd already started on that tree, but that was another cross stitch. I'm going to have to get rid of that dang needle. And the clippies. Come on. And then bring you. Oh, crap. I went the wrong way. I'm sorry. All right. This thing's kind of bulky. I'm going to fold it in half. So you really can't even tell that I did anything, but it's right up through here. So we got all that orange in that area, and then the orange will be over here, and up on all the tops of the houses and kind of around. So yeah, we'll get there one day. Alright guys, thank you for joining me. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.